What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we caught this movement to the upside that brought us about 26, almost 27% to its highest point, and we are still up for more than 18% at the current price range. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that in the long-term perspective, Tesla is a very lucrative company to put your money in, but in the short-term perspective, we might see some days with a huge volatility. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you how we can be consistently profitable with Tesla. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, right after the New Year party on January the 4th, and I've told you that we have all chances to see the trend reversal and the U-turn should be somewhere near. And I marked the range of about $100 as the lowest point of its potential trend reversal, because it is the confluence. Let me switch to daily time frame and let me zoom out. It is the confluence with the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. If I pull this tool from its swing low at the June of 2019 to its swing high on October 2021. And this also should be the range of support at roughly $97.81. And the $100 mark by itself is quite a good round number that is a psychological range of support and resistance. And it pretty much happened. I've told you on my previous video that you can accumulate your position by laddering your buys down, because nobody knows the exact price where we could have a trend reversal, and it happened. And because of this, and because of the oversold condition, I gave you a call that we might see a trend reversal, and that is how we caught this movement to the upside. And I have to say that my prediction on Tesla is quite accurate. My win rate is about 75 to 80% on Tesla. And you can watch the video on your top right corner and in the description below that proves my words. So, if you want to have this type of accurate predictions, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. I have to say that the most important news is definitely the price cut of Tesla. And on the one hand, this news drove the price in the short-term perspective of Tesla lower, but in the medium and long-term perspective, it is a very good bullish news. And right here you can see that according to this article that was published on electric.co on January the 17th, we can see the increase in demand of Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y, because these models have the price cuts of roughly $13,000 on US market and around 13.5% on Chinese market. And this news definitely drove the demand on Tesla's vehicles much higher. And I have to say that it is really important for Tesla to hold its market share, because other EV manufacturers have a lot of debts and their EV lineup are not profitable, especially if you take a look on major EV manufacturers in the United States. Lucid have losses on their sales, Rivian have losses on their sales, even Ford and GM cannot sustain the positive margin on their electric vehicles, and this means Tesla is basically the only car manufacturer that is the, first of all, it is the biggest one, and second one, it has the highest margin on their vehicles, up to 17% of gross margin. And this means without debts, they can hold the line, they can hold their market share, and because of this they can produce and sell much more vehicles in shorter periods of time, and this will lead to much higher profit in upcoming year. And Elon Musk told that this year will be quite tough for all electric manufacturers and basically for the legacy manufacturers as well. And that's why I think Tesla has the strongest position because of this policy. On top of that, let me show you some bearish news that are still on the table. And on Financial Times on January 18th, we can find this article that is titled "Elon Musk made a split-second decision on Tesla tweet after FT report," lawyer said. Jurors hear opening arguments in investor lawsuit over billionaire's messages about taking car maker private. And Elon Musk still has this lawsuit on the table, and it is quite bad in general, because if Elon Musk loses this battle, definitely it will hurt his ability to pay all the debts and to pay all the fees, and probably he will be forced to sell more Tesla shares. And that's why, until we won't see the end of this saga, we still have a bearish pressure on Tesla stock. On top of that, we have to see some positive news from Twitter financials, and this news should also eliminate the risks that are on the Tesla's table right now, because if the Twitter financials won't be quite promising, definitely it will hurt the Tesla price as well. But on the other hand, we can see quite good news from their Texas plant. And let me show you right here that Tesla Cybertruck 9,000-ton Giga press assembly ramps in Giga, Texas. And this means this year will be the crucial year for the beginning of Tesla Cybertruck production. And because of this, if Tesla starts to produce Cybertrucks, definitely it will be a huge bullish catalyst on its fundamentals. And here you can see the tweet that shows us that they are starting to assemble the Giga press, and here you can find it inside the plant, and definitely it is a very good and bullish news. On top of that, let me show you that we are about to see their investor day. It will take place in March, where they will announce their future plans, and for some estimations, they will deliver about 10,000 Cybertruck in 2023, and this is a quite good sign. On top of that, we are about to see their earnings report that will take place on January 25th, and we have less than a week till it happens, and that's why we might see quite good bullish movement in upcoming days on Tesla stock. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely who follow my channel for quite some time and who entered the position at around $107 and below marks, you are in green for more than 18%, for about 20%, depending on your entry price. And if you want to hold this position, just put your stop loss on a safer territory above your entry point. And if Tesla goes down, and I have a lot of doubts about it, you will be on the safer territory and you will book your profit. But I have to say that in general, Tesla might hit much higher target, and let me show you that if I adjust this tool with the assumption that this is the lowest point for Tesla, we still have the range of about $150 mark as the first price target to unload the entire structure from its swing high right here on September 21, 2022. And definitely the next price target that is still on the table is $181. And as you can see, these ranges are about 40% above our current price and about 20% above our current price. This means if you want to enter your position, I have to say that probably we will see some red candles on this price chart. But if you are risky enough and if you want to benefit from its upcoming news, definitely you can accumulate all the way down, and your stop loss should be slightly below $101 mark and this swing low. And because of this, you will be able to catch its next leg to the upside with an upside potential, depending on your entry price, from 20% all the way up to maybe 40%, and this might happen in upcoming couple of weeks. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star.